Okay, we're ready to do step 2, and hopefully you've got your assembly opened up on SketchUp. If you don't know how to do that, you could just go to any place where it says you can open. Here I went to the 3 lines and I could get to open there. Sometimes on our home page, you can just go here to open and go to my drive and find it. Just showing you. Here's my 3.0. Get that opened up. All right. Give it a little time here. Okay. So we need to bring in 3 of our parts that we don't have in there yet. So let's go here. Again, we have to go to Insert, go into our drive, and to our folder. And I know we're going to need part 6, so I'm going to grab that. I'm going to set part 6 right there. And now I'm going to insert part 4. Or I should say piece 4. I keep saying part. And I'm going to set that back here. Again, to get rid of that blue box, I click on select and then back here. And then our last piece, insert, and this is going to be the first one we made, part 1, or piece 1. There we go, I said it again. And we'll set that back here. Okay, so the next piece that we need to put in is going to be piece 6. Okay, so that was, that's our purple piece, and that's this one here, and we need to go ahead and rotate this, and it's going to be a simple rotation. So here we go to this, go to rotate. We're going to go on this front surface, so we need it to be a green protractor. And I'm just going to click there, and now I'm going to drag out again, and this time a red line. It has to be red. I'm going to click there, and I'm going to start turning, and this needs to be turned 90 degrees. And now we need to find 2 points that we can bring together, and this shouldn't be a very difficult task. So let's go to Move, and we're going to just grab this corner right there, and we need to touch it up to that corner right there. And there we have piece 6 in there. And now we need to put in piece 4. And if I just orbit around here a little bit, we can take a peek at how we think piece 4 should go in there. Okay, I'm getting a look at that. And I don't know if you see how it has to be in there, but I can tell that we do need to do some rotating again. So let's start out by rotating here. Actually, let me get this, and I'm going to grab my rotate, and I'm going to go on the end here. So that's going to be a red protractor. And I'm going to start going out to the side. And I know it's tough to see, but that's a light green line, dashed line you should see. It'll probably show up better on your Chromebook. And I'm going to start moving down. And I'm going to make that go 90 degrees. And now we have another rotation to do. And that's going to be up on the top here. So we'll just find a place. Again, it needs to be a blue protractor. And I click, and I'm just going to extend the line out. Again, it's a dashed red line. I'm going to click, and I'm going to start rotating around, and this time we're going to enter 180. And there we have that. So we can now go ahead and take our move tool, grab onto that, and we're going to take this corner right there and join it to this corner right there. And now we have that in. I'm going to have to orbit back to where we originally started. And so let me do that. Go ever so slowly. And there I can see there's our white part. Okay. And if we look at this, I think all of us can figure out that this piece here will need to be rotated, but I'm going to go ahead and move it first. So let's get the move, and I'm just going to move it up here a little ways. There we go. And now we're going to rotate again onto the top surface. Extend our line out, should be red. Click. I'm going to turn this, and we're going to turn it 90 degrees. And now we're going to have to move that into place. So we go there. And we're going to click here and drag that corner to this one. And there we go. We have our puzzle solved. I'm going to orbit this just ever so slightly, like so. And then I'm going to hit save again. Okay. Now it's saving. You don't have to put a title in or anything. And don't forget to put a screenshot of your puzzle on the slide. If you couldn't get your puzzle together and make it look like it should, just go ahead and take a screenshot of your 6 different pieces on the screen somewhere, okay? I know it might not have been easy for people that had pieces that weren't the correct size, but just take a screenshot with all your pieces on there. Okay? Good job.